Hey guys, so far so good. We have seen a number of important sections in DreamVilla multi-property theme, and now in this video we are going to see a few more. Now if I come back to my home page variation number 1, you can see that somewhere we have a featured property and exactly below that we have recent property. Now I'm going to show you how to customize these particular sections. If I come back to my dashboard and if I click on home page section, you can see that these two sections are actually controlled from this area. We have given a title featured property and recent property, and right now both are yes, so actually these two sections are visible. If you want to hide these sections, you can click on no and they will not be visible. Now recent properties are going to be automatically calculated based on whichever is recently added, and if you want to make some properties as a featured property, then you actually need to go to that particular property. And in this, if you click on a particular property, you can see that we have a check mark that makes this property featured. Once you check mark this, this will be added into the featured property and that will be listed under this featured property. If I scroll down, you can see that now we have two sections. One is this get in touch with the number and all, and exactly below that somewhere we have recent post. Now if I come back to my dashboard and if I come back to my appearance and theme options, inside this I need to click on page, and you can see that we have a sections like get in touch, valuable clients, people to say, and all these things are actually connected with these sections which are available on my home page. This section for valuable clients, this section for get in touch and what people have to say. This is something again which is a page which we have created with the help of shortcode inside our pages section, so you can customize that also if you want that. And if I go to my pages also, there also will have a page which is something like what people have to say. So inside this we have actually added our pages with the shortcode. And if you want to, if you see left side, we have a section for what people say, and if you click on this, from this you can add multiple people, and whoever you're going to add inside this, these people are actually those who are visible on this particular section with their comments, whichever you want to add inside that. So this is really easy to customize these four sections, and we can just add things inside that and that will be visible. We can even turn this section off and on based on our requirement. Exactly below this, the last section of this home page is actually this contact our agent form and featured property inside that particular thing. If I go back to my dashboard, theme options inside appearance, inside this we need to click on other, and you can see that this particular section is actually showing me this section which is having contact our agent, the form, the submit now button. So this is actually that same button title, what you want to give, contact your agent, you want that or not. When user is going to click on this particular button, it's actually going to send an email. We have settings here that if the message is succeeded, and we'll get the success email message inside that, and if that particular email got failed, then we'll get the message for that also inside that. So based on that particular condition, we have two different options there. And once you're customizing all those things, we are just going back to this home page, and almost everything of this home page is actually done. The same way, if I go to the variation 2, in that also a few sections which are common, and the only thing is the variation is having a different design with that. Now if I come back to this, you can see that we have a gallery section in which we have two kind of galleries here, gallery 2 column and gallery 3 column. Same way in this also we have gallery 2 columns, gallery 3 columns. If I click on this, you can see that this page is showing me a gallery inside which we have photos for a particular dining room, kitchen, living room, and same way we have different designs for that. This is something which is for 2 column, and if I click on gallery 3 column, we'll have a 3 column gallery for the same kind of images. Now if you want to customize this gallery 2 column and 3 column, or if you see somewhere we have a properties listing page, in this property listing page we have 3 different ways to list our property. Because it's a multi-property theme, if I click on property listing list, this will show me a list base displaying all the properties. And if I click on this button, it's something like it's going to show me a grid based system for that. And in our theme we have one of the very impressive way to display property, that is this map view. If I click on this map, this is actually going to show you a map view for that particular location, and your properties are actually highlighted on this map. If user is going to click on this, you can see that the property details, the costing, and it is on rent for this particular amount per month, that all the details are actually provided on the click of that. So again, it's something that which kind of view you want, you have to choose that thing from these pages. Now if you want to customize these pages, that is also really easy. I'm going to show you how to do that thing. I'm going to my dashboard again, and inside this dashboard, if I go to my pages section, first of all, if you see, we have a pages for gallery 2 columns, gallery 3 columns, and same way whatever property listing list, grid and map, we have created pages for that. When I click on this kind of pages, these pages are having a proper data inside that, inside which we have specified a template. Whenever you are designing your project with the help of this theme, you can just create a page, and inside that page you select that which kind of template you want. If it's a gallery with a 2 column or 3 column, or you want a property listing details for any of the things which are provided there. Once you do this thing, automatically it's going to take care of all the designing things. Yes, you have to add a proper image for that, and to deal with these images, you have to go to photo gallery. If you go to photo gallery, you can see that we have added some images inside that, and if I click on a particular image, you can see that we are mentioning that this particular image is actually belongs to which category, and inside that also we have this particular image uploaded. So either you can see the existing dummy data, or you can add a new image and you can deal with that. It's really easy to customize this, and this is really looking lovely when you just display this thing at runtime. Now if I come back to my dashboard, and again if I go to my theme options inside appearance, there is one last section which I want to discuss in this video. Is if you click on agent, you can see that there we are able to select that which agent we actually want for this, and we can even select a particular agent from the list. So when we have properties, you can see left side we have a sections also, from where we can add a new agent. You can add a new agent, you can again same way upload his image and the other details, and you can associate these agents later on for the particular property. So this is something which is really cool. Before I end this video, I just want to tell you that we are still going to update this theme couple of times, and on a daily basis we are actually improving this theme, and we are adding number of new features inside this. Whenever we have some new feature, we'll keep you posted with this kind of videos. Thank you for taking interest in our theme. God bless.